Reynaxis Solutions.
I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Reynaxis Solutions, I'm going to open a newly purchased Nintendo Switch OLED version. The screen of Nintendo Switch OLED version is larger than the version 2 of the Nintendo Switch. And these two are the Joy-Con. We have the red and the blue, light blue controllers. This is the Nintendo Switch dock. You can use this to connect to LAN or to an external monitor. Then we have the AC adapter to charge your batteries of the Nintendo Switch. It is USB Type-C and it has a length of 1 meter. It also comes with an HDMI connector, so you can connect to an external monitor. This is the Joy-Con grip, where you can attach the Joy-Con controllers. And these are part of the Joy-Con grip. Each of these controllers have batteries in them. Now this is the Nintendo Switch OLED console. It's almost 7-inch. At the back there's a base that you can flip. It's a bit it's made of plastic. You can use this to balance the Nintendo Switch on the table. So for its games, I bought the Animal Crossing, the Demon Slayer, the Mario Kart Deluxe, and the Cookstar, Cooking Mama. The price for all of these has reached 25,000, but the main console and the controllers are only 18,000. Here's the slot for where you will insert the card. And here's the game card. It's small. It's like a regular SD card that you can insert to your camera, but it's specifically made for Nintendo Switch. And the way you insert it is that the sticker should be facing you. So right now I'm gonna insert the left Joy-Con. There's a marking, an arrow that points downward, so it serves as a guide on how you'll insert it. And once it's inserted, it's sturdy and it's not shaking too much. There's a little bit of shaking, but it's fine. You can also do the same for the right Joy-Con. The power switch is on the top left next to the volume controllers. So once the SD card is in, you can right away select that game from the selection, from the screen. And mind you, the screen is also touch response. So you can select the game from the screen or from the controller itself. The feeling when you touch the screen is like touching a high-grade Samsung phone or an iPad, and because it's smooth and it's not laggy. So here is where you can configure the controller. As you can see, the left joystick is controlling the left and right, and I can select from the menu. That goes the same to the other Joy-Con. And you can tap on the screen or press A to execute the game. So now that the game is running, you won't believe how clear it is, especially if you can see it with your own eyes. It is so clear, even better than my games on my Samsung Note 9. It's pretty clear, so I think the kids will really love this Nintendo Switch OLED. So I'm just gonna quit this game and let's go ahead and see the other peripherals of this. Removing the Joy-Con is easy. You just press the brown button at the back and slide it up. Now let's try and connect the Joy-Cons to the Joy-Con grip. See, the Joy-Con grip is made so that you can control the console from afar, or you can connect the console to the screen, to a bigger monitor or the bigger LCD, and you can control the game from while you're sitting down. So instead of having this console right in your face. Anyway, this is the Nintendo dock, and it has two USB port, and at the back you can remove the cover at the back and it will expose another ports. This is the AC adapter for charging, and the HDMI port for a bigger screen, and we have the LAN port to connect to a network. The way you use the dock is to rest it on top of something, and you can slide the console through the gap. Just make sure that the console is facing towards you. Now these two things are part of the Joy-Con. You slide it to the side of the Joy-Con and you use the string that is tied to it to secure the controllers to your hands. And you won't be able to mistake the sliding thing because there's a mark. It is marked with minus and plus on the surface. Okay, so that's it guys. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day everyone.